What's up guys, Kevin with Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the new ES sides on this brand new Lexus ES. Alright, so the benefits of getting the ES sides compared to other sides is that these come already with pre-drilled holes and already has your pre-drilled holes for your factory bolts, so it just makes it real simple to install. Also, it comes color matched. In this case, we get a color matched ultra white, same color as the car, or you can do gloss black or even F-Sport gray, which is the same gray as your front grille, for example. And the best part is this ABS plastic, so it's nice, durable, it's not fragile fiberglass or that cheap urethane that starts warping with heat. So it means you'll have a piece that lasts you a lifetime. Alright, so first things first, you want to wipe down the bottom of your car, make sure there's no rocks or anything stuck to the bottom. And just get a microfiber towel. Just do a quick little wipe. When installing the sides, think safety first. If you're gonna jack up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, we have an angle driver, so we're just gonna creep up underneath the car. All right, so now we're gonna remove this factory splash guard located in the back of the rocker panel. And with that, you're gonna need the 10mm socket and the clip remover. Clip remover, get in between the ring and the centerpiece and just clip it out, and should come right out. With the 10mm socket, just remove the bolt that was next to the clip. So now we got to remove the last clip that's in the wheel well. With this, you're going to need the clip remover, and just the same way, put the clip in between the ring and it should snap the centerpiece off. Once you got the centerpiece off, then the clip should come right off. Now, if you don't have a clip remover or you are not too familiar with this, best bet is to take off the wheel because it is a clip that's hard to take off. Taking off the wheel, you have more access to it. In the front of the car, you're going to find a 10mm bolt. With the 10mm socket, just remove it. Alright, so now using the same clip that you removed and the same 10mm bolt, we're going to install it, this time holding up the splitter. So with the help of a friend or family member, just get somebody to help you and start installing it. Alright, so use the pre-drilled holes and just find that same hole that you just removed it from. Make sure it's aligned right, clip it on, get the 10mm bolts, same thing. Present it to the same hole that you just removed it from. Perfect. So now we do the same thing for the front. Use that 10mm bolts and present it to the same hole that you just removed it from. All right, so now you get the support screws, and I always like to start from the middle and just present it through the pre-drilled hole and self-tap your side skirt. Alright, so with the screw, just present it through the pre-drilled hole. Make sure the line's right. Once aligned right, make sure it's perfectly with the car, and just self-tap into the side skirt. Once the center one is done, then just do the same thing for the other pre-drilled holes. So one thing is very important, make sure not to go all the way with the drill, and this will to avoid over tightening and stripping the side skirt. So just go in halfway, and then we'll go back around with the stubby screwdriver and tighten them up. Now you come back with the stubby Phillips screwdriver and we hand tighten every single support screw. This avoids from stripping the plastic side skirt. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus ES. Thanks again.